Ecto-1 turned a prop into a public signal. He showed up in posters, trailers, and TV bumpers because its roofline reads instantly at speed. Kids drew the fins first, then the racks, because the silhouette carried danger and a wink. Toy aisles turned it into a handheld chase, with sliding doors, sirens, and tiny gearboxes. Model builders copied every antenna, then argued over placement, like the car was a blueprint worth defending. Costumes borrowed the logo, but people still asked for the car because it completes the fantasy. At conventions, one passing siren sound could pull a crowd, even before anyone saw the suits. Fan replicas became rolling meetups, parked like a stage, with strangers swapping photos and stories. Street photographers loved its white body because it reads clean in rain, fog, and neon. The red fins made it feel fast while standing still, like a warning arrow pointing forward. Car shows treated it like working equipment, with doors open and cables visible, not precious display chrome. Comedy skits used it as shorthand for chaos, because one glimpse promises alarms and messy heroics. Even people who skipped the movie recognized it, because its design works like a drivable logo. Video games and cartoons kept borrowing the look, turning that roof rack into a universal science gadget. Every reboot and sequel had to answer one question: does the car still feel dangerous and funny? Merch went wide, but the core stayed simple, a tired ambulance wearing confidence and homemade tech. Years later, it still gets waves in traffic because the city remembers the siren as a promise. Next, watch how the spotlight faded, then returned, and why comebacks change what Ecto-1 proved. Follow to see the rise, the stumble, and the comeback that kept Ecto-1 rolling when fashions moved on.